What's up, guys? Welcome to the Drip Farm. I'm going to show you exactly how to buy drip in the fastest way on YouTube. Let's go. So right here, you're at the website, drip.community.faucet. Don't go to Faucet because you haven't bought your drip yet. You got to buy drip before you can stake it. Now, how do you do that? Well, you've got to get some BNB, right? So to buy drip, you can only buy it using BNB. So you go to your MetaMask wallet and you go, oh, how come there's no drip? Because you're on the Ethereum mainnet. You've got to go to the Binance Smart Chain. If you don't have Binance Smart Chain on your actual MetaMask, you add the network, and then you Google how to add Binance Smart Chain to Meta. Oh, look at that. Google's amazing. Oh, and you click here, and look, it tells you exactly what you need. Boom. Connect your wallet. Add this. Oh, it gives you the addresses, all that. You're going to follow these steps, all right? Very, very simple. Now you've got, let's get out of here. Now we've got our MetaMask. We're ready to roll. And I'm going to go to Binance Smart Chain. Boom. Check it out. We got 0.12 BNB. Now you're going to want to leave at least 0.1 BNB in your wallet at all times. Why? Because this is what you pay the gas fee. Yeah, there's a transaction fee, you know, like when you swipe a credit card. In crypto, it's the same thing. So you got to make sure you leave a little bit of BNB. But let's say I had more BNB in there, like 1 BNB. Well, I'd be ready to go. I'd be ready to buy drip. So I'd click here. Right here, you slippage, you really need 1%. It's just about the speed at which you can do the transaction. 1% is fine. Then you type in how much BNB, connect your wallet. Sorry, I forgot that. Click connect wallet. And then bam, right here it shows this is your balance, buddy. You've got 0.1242. Oh, okay. So I'm going to bet that. That's what I want. Give me some of that drip. So I type in, I'm going to bet invest 1.1242. That's going to give me 0.2976 drip. All right. So this is for it's education video here. I would never do this little amount. I'd put in more. Okay. But anyways, then once you buy your drip, boom, your MetaMask wallet will come up and say, do you confirm this interaction, this contract? Do you agree with it? Great. Now you just bought drip. That doesn't mean you're invested yet. Now you go to the faucet, and here is where you make the deposit. You click on how much drip you want to deposit. So I've got 36 drip here I could deposit. And then I would just click that, deposit, and now I'm in drip. Now you're gonna run into an error because it's gonna say, do you have a buddy? And that's where you hook a brother up. You come on my team and you put in my buddy address, which is in the link of the description. And our team does the airdrops. We help each other out. We've got our own Telegram group. Our goal is to hopefully do some plant some wells around the world with some of our profits, partnering with charity, water. Who knows? I'd love to hear your ideas. What do we want to do with this? But we're going to make a small little community. Actually, my mission is to help 1,000 people make 1% daily compound interest. I think that's a pretty cool mission. So join our team. Now you're going to deposit it. And when you deposit, remember, there's a 10% tax. 10% tax. You go, oh, that's horrible. How can I avoid that? You can't. Anytime that you deposit, anytime that you sell, you're going to pay a 10% tax. And when you rehydrate, which just simply means recompound, you're going to pay a 5%. All that tax is actually good because it goes to the big time liquidity pool. Can you imagine thousands of us paying these taxes? What happens? Where's that money go? Goes into a pool that's then reinvested at 30 to 40% APY so that the protocol is sustainable. So that when people want their 1%, the protocol has enough money to pay everybody their 1%. That's what makes Drip a long-lasting protocol. So you got to get the money somehow. It's through taxation. And it's a blessing in disguise. Nobody likes to pay taxes. But in this case, it keeps the protocol long living. All right, so that's how you do it. Once your drip is in there, great. Every day come back and you'll see right here your balance. It goes up. It just went up a couple bucks, right? Made a couple bucks while making this video. How awesome is that? It's going to do that every day of my life, all right? As long as the protocol. So again, I am not a financial advisor. Everything I'm saying is just for entertainment purposes. But here we go. This is what I could claim. So I could go here and click claim. Boom. That money comes into my wallet. Then I can go to PancakeSwap. No, I can go back and actually just get BUSD, which is a stable coin. or I can rehydrate. Now, my strategy is to rehydrate every 3 days, boom, 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 and then fourth day claim. And the goal is to get back my money, all my initial money, within 60 to 90 days is what the plan is. So if this protocol can last 60 to 90 days, I'm out of the woods. And by the way, it's almost, I think this protocol started in July, so it's one of the more long-lasting ones anyways. Forget those DAOs and all those promises of 80,000 APY. I've been burned by those too, so if you've been burned, I get it. Anyway, so that's how you do it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you have any more questions, just leave a comment and I'll be right to it. I have no life other than to answer your comments. And join our Telegram group, guys. It's going to be amazing. You know, if you get into these big groups, you're not going to get the attention. I'm happy to help people, even if you're new. Let's get you in to this with your risk capital. This is money that you can afford to lose. Don't remortgage your house for anything in crypto. Everything's volatile. But Forex Shark, man, if you listen to his AMAs, and I encourage you to do so, he believes that in time, a DRIP token is going to be worth $3,000 to $5,000. His words, not mine. He might know a little something more than me. If DRIP gets to be $300, I'll be happy, because that means the time that I have to have my initial capital locked up actually just got cut in half. Why? Because when I get paid out in DRIP, guess what, baby? That DRIP token is worth a lot more than when I got in. And so that's a beautiful thing. It's an appreciating asset. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you'll see, go to this is my watch list here. You can see DRIP Network. It's up over 125% in the last 7 days. But this is a beautiful chart right here. This is what you want. Just stable growth. Let's look at 3 months. Yeah, if you invested back here in 3 months, the price was stable. It's fine. No massive dips. Just straight up and to the right. That's what you want. I love it. I love Forex Shark. I think what he's doing is one of the better things in DeFi space, plus what he's got going on with the animal farm. So daily videos coming at you. Hopefully this video was helpful. I didn't waste your time. Join our team. I'd love to have you. Goodbye, everybody. See you next video.